I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing an Android host so you can run Google Play apps remotely on your iPad. You need a real Android device or a cloud Android instance logged into Google Play. This is where the apps will run. Once that's set, install a remote access app on both the Android host and the iPad and enable screen sharing and remote control on the Android side. Make sure both devices are on stable Wi-Fi so latency stays low. This avoids lag when you interact with apps. Now connect your iPad to the Android host and start streaming. Open the remote access app on both devices and pair them using the on-screen code or your account sign-in. This creates a secure session. On the Android host, open Google Play and install the app you need, then launch it so the iPad sees the live screen. Once streaming, tweak resolution, frame rate, and input options to reduce touch lag and improve visuals. This makes the app feel natural when you control it from the iPad. To finish, close the remote session and sign out of the Android host if you don't want persistent access. If performance is poor, reduce streaming resolution, place both devices closer to the router, or connect the Android host via Ethernet for stability. If audio doesn't come through, enable the remote app's audio streaming option or use a parallel audio app on the iPad. Finally, make sure account and app permissions on the Android host allow remote control. That's the common reason sessions won't let you interact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.